Curious about how to create YouTube shorts that skyrocket in popularity? You're in the right place. Welcome to the ultimate guide on crafting viral YouTube shorts. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what YouTube shorts are. Shorts are short-form videos under 1 minute, tailored for snappy and engaging content consumption on mobile devices. With the Shorts camera and the Shorts shelf, creators are gifted with a unique platform to reach a broad audience swiftly. The secret to success? Nail those first few seconds. The attention span for such content is fleeting, so craft a hook that sparks curiosity or emotion right from the start. Whether it's a visually striking scene, a punchy line, or a compelling question, ensure you grab your viewers' attention immediately. If you're searching for a way to increase discoverability, leverage trends and challenges within your niche. Align your content with popular hashtags and challenges. This approach not only taps into pre-existing audiences, but also increases the likelihood of your content being featured on the YouTube Shorts shelf. Remember, first impressions matter. Your thumbnail and title are your content's initial introduction. Make them shine. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately reflect the content and pair them with clear, concise titles. Consider adding emojis or vibrant colors to make your videos pop on the Shorts shelf. One key to virality is fostering engagement. Encourage viewers to interact with your content by asking questions, prompting comments, or utilizing polls. Higher engagement signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content is valuable, significantly impacting your short's success. Consistency is another vital factor. Develop a regular upload schedule for your YouTube Shorts to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Regular uploads also show the algorithm that you're an active and reliable creator. Optimize your reach by utilizing relevant and trending hashtags. Choose a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags to broaden your reach and connect with a diverse audience. Lastly, consider collaborations. Partnering with other creators within your niche can introduce your content to a new audience, increasing the likelihood of shared viewership and cross-promotion. And there you have it, the secrets to creating viral YouTube shorts. Remember, success takes time. Stay patient, adapt based on your analytics, and keep creating content that resonates with your audience. If you found these tips valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Until next time, happy creating!